Here we have a lovely 1978 Kawasaki KH400 that you can win on our website, theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. Tickets for this bike are £1.99. The draw will take place on the 20th of September, just Sunday at 10 p.m. So this particular example is, I'd say, an older restoration, like a sympathetic restoration. It's in this lovely royal purple candy paint. Got the original silencers on there. So I'd say it's very usable condition. The engine's fantastic on this. I've ridden it quite a bit and it really is very sprightly, and it's got a really distinctive power band. Being the KH400, it's one of the last versions of the triple Kawasaki 2-strokes. So it just feels slightly more refined than the earlier bikes. Got the Öhlins suspension as well, new tyres. So very nice, usable example. What we do now, start her up. So ignition's on, fuel's on. There's a bit of heat in there, so we can give it a little rev. Very easy to kick. Very smooth engine. So there we are, a lovely example of a KH400, this beautiful royal purple. Like I said, you fancy a ticket, the draw will take place on the 20th of September, Sunday at 10 p.m, and tickets are £1.99. If you do enter, as always, good luck and thank you for your support.